In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use templates Figma. By the end, you'll feel confident finding the right template, copying it into your own workspace and customizing it so it fits your project perfectly. Let's start in the Figma community, which is the best place to discover ready-made designs. Think of it as a library filled with UI kits, dashboards, landing pages, and more, all shared by designers. Use the search bar to look up what you need, maybe a mobile app wireframe or a presentation deck, and skim the thumbnails and descriptions to gauge fit. Opening a template's preview lets you flip through its pages, see how the layers are organized, and check whether it includes components and styles you can reuse. This quick review helps you avoid surprises later. When you've found a good match, select the template and click Get a Copy. Figma duplicates the file straight into your drafts, giving you a personal version you can edit freely without affecting the original. Open your copy and take a moment to explore the left sidebar for pages and layers, and the Assets panel for components. Understanding how the file is structured will save you time when you start customizing. Everything in a Figma template is editable components, styles, and layouts, so tailor it to your brand and content. Start with styles. Update color styles to your palette and adjust text styles to your type system. Because styles cascade, these changes update across the file, keeping things consistent. Next, look at components, such as buttons, headers, or cards. Swap instances via the Assets panel or tweak properties in the right sidebar to change states, icons, or sizes, while preserving consistency. For layouts, use constraints and auto layout to expand or shrink sections without breaking spacing. Replace placeholder images with your own and update text content, watching for how the layout responds. If the template includes multiple pages like a style guide, components and screens work from the foundation up so changes propagate properly. If you are working in Figma, templates are just as easy. In a Figma file, click the Templates button in the toolbar to browse and search pre-made boards for brainstorming, retrospectives, or workshops. Insert the one you want directly into your file. Once it's placed, you can drag sections around, rename frames, and start adding sticky notes, shapes, and connectors. Figma templates are designed to be flexible, so feel free to resize and rearrange without losing structure. That's it. Browse the community, pick a template, click Get a Copy, and make it your own, or use Figma's Templates button to drop in a ready-to-use board. Happy designing!